Definition. Simplified equation. Simplified equation.
Are we on all this?
Yes. Pause. Try and write teenier. You can do it, Conrad. You can write teenier.
Your pencil sharpener is not. It makes it way too sharp.
There's such a thing as too sharp?
Yeah, because then it's like super thin, and then like the tip always breaks off.
Thank you, Lucy. Thank you.
I can't.
That's why you use a 0.7 pencil like this, and then it's always the right thickness.
I haven't break those though.
No, that's the 0.5. I always break the 0.5. The 0.7 is okay. Isn't that bad, Lucy? X plus 3. Really? Okay. Okay. Don't forget, you have to simplify the equations first. Okay, Owen, good luck today.
How do you know if it has two exercises?
The top will still be able to, you'll have two things in the top.
Okay.
Or three, or how many ever.
Is B like that?
No, because you can simplify it.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Because it factors in the negative 5 positive 3.
Oh, it's -5 positive 3. Oh,
Yeah. Let's go.
let's go. Dang. I hate it when I make those mistakes. So 0. Good job. Times 3 over 5 still -3. And then my exercises are going to be 5, 0, and -3. Okay. Over 0, so that's got to be n. Does B have two? Yes, B has 2 x-intercepts. And does D, I'm not on D yet. Sorry. Does D have an x-intercept? Yes, D has, ooh. Yes, make sure you simplify. Does C have a y-intercept? No, C does not have a y-intercept. Good.
Yeah, let's see how one.
Can you divide by 0?
How you're supposed to get rid of one.
Can you get rid of an x? You can't simplify C, can you?
Oh, y-intercept is the one where you make that.
Y-intercept is where you make x 0, correct? And 0 times anything is what?
I don't know, for some reason I put it to 0, so at the bottom it's because
Yeah, so 0 times anything is 0, so that means I end up with a 0 in my denominator. Can I have that? No. So do I have a y-intercept? There you go. X-intercept. Okay. 3x squared is 1 over x cubed. Equals 0, 3x cubed divided by 3. That's a, oh, that's not a cube, that's a squared. Okay. Plus or minus the square root of 1. Okay. And F. Oh. I don't think that one factors. I think we had that one. Okay, so 2x squared plus x minus 9, 3x squared minus 12. Intercept. So that's going to be -9 over -12. Positive. Okay. And the x-intercept is where you set the numerator equal to 0. Oh, you have to do the quadratic formula. I'm so not doing that. Okay, I'm going to do it. Dang it. All right, what is it? -1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times -9, all divided by 2 times 2. 1, 4 times 9, 36. No, that's 8 times 9, 72. Divided by 4. So my intercept is -1 plus or minus the square root of 73 divided by 4, 0. Okay, done. You guys ready?
No.
I even did the quadratic formula. Sucks, but you know. I hate the quadratic formula. It's the one thing I really, really don't like in math. Because there should be a shortcut to do everything, and there's not. The quadratic formula is not. There's not a shortcut to do everything in math, but I think there should be. Okay. A, where's A at? So A factors to, what does it factor to? X plus 3 and X minus 2 all over X minus 2, right? So that goes away. So it factors to X plus 3. So my y-intercept should be 0, 3. And my x-intercept should be -3, 0. Done. All right, please let me know if I get it wrong, okay? Huh?
I don't know if you got it wrong.
I know, but we'll talk about it, right? Okay, and then this factors to x minus 5 and x plus 3 all over x plus 5. So it doesn't get any simpler than that, unfortunately. But my y-intercept is still going to be 0, -3. And my x-intercepts should be 5, 0, and -3, 0. Awesome. We're doing okay so far? I bet there is probably a website for the quadratic formula now. They probably have a quadratic formula calculator now. I see those all over the place. So that's simplified. Can't do nothing with it. So my y-intercept is none, because I cannot have a 0 in the denominator. So it's none. X-intercept is 2, 0. Okay. Flip the page here. Go to D. D, I got, oh, don't get mixed up with my other things. This factors to, right, I can go 2x, and I can pull an x out and get x minus 8, and those x's go away, and I get 2 over x minus 8. So my y-intercept is going to be 0 and -1/4. And my x-intercept is going to be none. Is that good? Okay. Daniel's like, yeah, that's right. Thanks. This one doesn't simplify. So I got my y-intercept as none, because I can't have a 0 in the denominator. And my x-intercept as plus or minus the square root of 1/3, 0. Do you want me to show you how I got it?
No. I just didn't do it.
You set this top equal to 0 and solve for x, yeah? Add 1, divide by 3, square root it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this lovely one, so fun. Okay, so the y-intercept was 0, and then, right, that's 0, that's 0, that's 0. I get -9/12 left, -9 over -12, which is 3/4. So that was the y-intercept. And then the x-intercept, I set the top equal to 0. Well, that doesn't factor. Can't use this. Well, you could, I guess, if you really wanted to use the complete the square on it. But I didn't. I did the quadratic formula, and I got -1 plus or minus the square root of 73 divided by 4, 0. Okay, beautiful. 3 more. Oh, sorry, I made it small. I don't know why I made it small. T or G, I don't know where the T came from. It doesn't simplify. So my y-intercept is going to be 0 and 4/5. So I put a 0 wherever there's an x is. That means that's 0, that's 0, that's 0. I get left with -4 over -5, which simplifies to +4 over 5. Okay, my x-intercept is the cubed root of 4 over 5, 0. Is that what you got? I know. So hoping you could figure that out. And then on h, I can simplify this. I can factor, let's see, it all factors out. This is really ugly, but it factors to this, x times x plus 3 times x plus 1 all over 3x times x plus 2 times x minus 2, and then those x's go away, right? And so I get left with this really ugly problem still, x plus 3 times x plus 1 all over 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So then I have a y-intercept of 0 and -1/4. And I have an x-intercept at -3, 0 and -1, 0. What?
How do you get a y-intercept? If you plug in all the zeros, then it's 0 minus 0 on the bottom.
No, because the x and the x cancel out. The single x's by itself that would make the denominator 0 cancel out. Right? So you plug it into the simplified form.
Okay. I was always plugging it into the
No,
original.
you plug it into the simplified form.
Okay.
See, look. Thursday.
Is it just about the domain and this stuff, or is it about solving the...
Oh, it's about all of it.
Oh,
Oh, no, you're already done solving rationals.
yeah. I thought we had...
That's already done. No, you're not having a, oh, no. You're not having a, let me finish this and then we'll talk about that. So I don't lose track of what I'm thinking. So this factors to -2 times x plus 6 over x plus 1 all over x plus 2. Oh, that is so not a 2. 2 times x plus 3. So my y-intercept is 0, -4. And my x-intercept is -6, 0 and -1, 0. Okay? What?
I plugged it into the original thing.
That is the original. There's nothing that cancels out.
Okay.
Right? So if I plug 0 into my original, that's 0, that's 0, that's 0, that's 0. I get -24 over 6, which is -4, right? Isn't that right? I did divide that, right? 24 divided by 6 is 4, right? Yeah. You were talking about the y-intercept, correct?
I factored it from the top.
Did I factor it wrong? That's 7 and that's 12, right? Half of 14 is 7, half of 24 is 12.
I did 3 and 4.
Oh, what did I do? Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's probably right. Sorry. Let's do that one over again. I think I factored it to -7. Oh, let's do this. See? Good job. I missed 1, minus 7x, minus 12, right? Do you know what I factored it to? Plus 6. That should be plus. So then that factors to negative 2 times x plus 3 and x plus 4. So that goes away. So I get negative 2 times x plus 4 over x plus 2. Should still get a y-intercept of 0, negative 4, though. I just want to say I'm still going to get that y-intercept, right? It's just going to be my x-intercept is going to be different. And my x-intercept is going to be negative 4, 0. Is that better? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. I missed 1 out of 9. Dang. Okay.